My name's Joel Ashton and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Now, the purpose of me creating this channel is to give you a bit of an insight as to what I do and why I do it. Now, I've spent the last 15 years designing and installing habitats for wildlife, and that's been everything from bug boxes, bee hotels if you like to call them, to bird boxes, through to wildlife ponds, wildflower meadows, and even creating mini nature reserves for people who are fortunate enough to have an acre or two of land. Now, what I want to do is to start sharing regular videos and create a community on here where we can all share experiences with each other, and I'll probably learn one or two things from you guys. So, by having this channel and by giving you regular updates on what I've been doing, how I'm doing it, it will inspire many people, more than I could physically get to help anyway. And it will help create a mosaic of habitats throughout the UK to help our diminishing wildlife. Now, I don't mean to sound like the harbinger of doom, but wildlife really is declining left, right and centre. Yes, there's a few success stories, but in general a lot of our wildlife is declining, so it really does need our help. And there's no better time than now to start viewing your outdoor space as a habitat for wildlife. Forget astroturf, forget plain lawns and fences, make some little oases for wildlife, and I'll try and show you some of the ones that I've created as often as I can. Now, if you want to know a bit more about what I do, then I have just released this book, Wild Your Garden, by Dorling Kindersley, who have been absolutely wonderful to work with. And this book covers everything that I've done for the last 15 years, from how to plan your garden, what shrubs and trees to plant, where to put your wildlife pond, how to build a pond, what plants to put around it. And hopefully it'll be a great resource for many people who are wanting to do it themselves, that just need a little bit of help and advice. Equally, if you're not sure on what to do, then I have a website which is hazelwoodlandscapes.com, and I'll put another link at the end of this video, because I do offer a consultation service and design service. So if you want to do the work yourself but you just want a little bit of guidance, then do get in touch. Equally, of course, I do offer the installation as well. So hopefully that's given you a bit of an insight as to what I do, and hopefully by subscribing to the channel and liking some of the videos, it will pass on the knowledge that I've learnt over the last 15 plus years and inspire you to create your own habitats for wildlife. So thanks for joining me, stay tuned, and I'll be sure to bring you more videos on everything I do to come. Thanks very much, we'll see you soon.